Hello students, I am going to start a new chapter, Drug Store Management and Inventory Control. In this part, upon completion of the topic, the student shall be able to appreciate types of material stocked and storage conditions. Let us see types of material stocked and storage conditions. Drug stores are used to store all kinds of material like capsules, tablets, liquid dosage forms, injections, antibiotics, and biological products which require specific storage conditions. Frozen storage, that is minus 20 degrees Celsius, cold storage, that is 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, cool storage, that is 8 to 25 degrees Celsius, room temperature, that is ambient or common temperature in a working area, warm storage, that is 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, and excessive heat storage, temperature above 40 degrees Celsius. Frozen storage. Some products such as certain vaccines stored at minus 20 degrees Celsius. Frozen storage is normally required for longer term storage. For example, BCG, OPV and measles vaccines. Cold room or pharmaceutical refrigerator or freezer bay. List A are the drugs that require storage at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. These include sera, vaccines, whole human blood, normal human plasma, thrombin, thromboplastin, oxytocin and vasopressin, insulin preparations, human gamma globulin injection, and other biological products. Storage at cool temperature. List B are the drugs that require storage at 8 to 25 degrees Celsius. It includes antibiotics, blood preparations, hormone preparations, vitamin preparations, and other. Room temperature 20 to 25 degrees Celsius or up to 30 degrees Celsius temperature is considered as room temperature in pharmaceuticals. All controlled samples are stored at this temperature. Excipients and active pharmaceutical ingredients in the warehouse are stored at this temperature. Dangerous drugs or psychotropic substances store. Dangerous drugs or psychotropic substances shall be kept under lock and key in special room cabinet with alarm system. Intravenous fluid store. Sufficient space shall be made available to accommodate all hemodialysis, peritoneal dialysis solution and intravenous solutions and stored at normal temperature. The space shall be sufficient for the utilization of forklift. Surgical store. Adequate designated storage area for bulk surgical or consumable or disposable items or X-ray films shall be provided. Adjustable, modular, heavy-duty open racks shall be provided for storage. Sufficient space shall be made available to accommodate bulk items. Inflammable store. Inflammable items like ethanol, methanol, acetone, etc. shall be kept in a store sited at least 10 feet distance away from other adjacent buildings and shall be equipped with firefighting equipment, smoke detectors, and exhaust fans for adequate ventilation. The location and design shall be ensure maximum air circulation to avoid concentration of fumes or gases. The wall, roof, ceiling, and doors shall be made of fire retardant materials. Corrosive item store. Corrosive items like phenols, hypochlorite shall be kept here. Special plumbing and drainage system shall be considered. Eye wash stations shall be made available. Non-drug bulk store. Dispensing bottles, containers, labels, and envelopes shall be kept in designated area. Adjustable, modular, heavy-duty open racks shall be provided. Sufficient space shall be made available for movements. These are some safety storage cabinets. Now, all of you understand the types of materials stocked and storage conditions. Thank you.